Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you how to make fire with a wet, empty BIC. And that's the opposite of what we have here. So we're going to modify this. And I want to just show you how easy it is to recover a wet, empty BIC. First, I like to take this sleeve off of here. Just a little slit will do it. And let's go ahead and remove the gas. And there was just a very little bit in there. All right. We just made it empty. Let's make it wet now. You get the idea. We now have a wet, empty BIC. First thing I want to show you is how to take those two guards off. This flame guard and that child guard. And this is what we're left with. Still a wet, empty BIC. Now I know some people say that you can blow on this and dry all this out. It's never worked for me. Blowing moist air from your breath on here, and even, you know, we're not talking a high pressure air hose. So the pressure and your breath alone, I do not believe will do a thorough job at drying this out. I like to knock out all of that moisture, all of that water. I'm gonna get you closer so you can see all the water coming out of this. Once you've knocked all that water out of there, you'll take and dry off the striker wheel with your shirt, and you will have spark again. Let's see how close we are. Oh, there's already have spark. Not sure what you can see. So let me show you how you can make fire now with a dry, empty BIC. And we'll do the best we can do on this windy day. When is it not windy around here, right? just simply want to put a little piece of this. We're just going to put a little piece of this under the striker wheel and light it up. Yeah, the wind is going to be an issue. Let's give it a few tries. And if the wind keeps blowing it out, we'll do something else. And you can do the same thing with, believe it or not, fatwood. This is my fatwood bearing block. All right, let's try some of that. It's just that easy. It is not hard to make fire with a wet, empty BIC. Stick around now. I'm going to include some of my practice that I did before the video. And do me a favor, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. All right, while I'm waiting for the sun to come up to make the actual video, let's do some practice. I have 3 pieces of toilet paper here and a half a piece of paper towel. I'm going to put that corner up under the striker wheel. And then hold it in there with the index finger. And start striking on your palm. And once you feel some heat being generated up here by that finger, then you want to go ahead and increase the repetitions. Go as fast as you can. See if tearing that point off helps. We'll tear the point off again. All right, here's my 6th try on this piece of toilet paper. All right, let's try some paper towel now.
Second try.
Well, it only took 2 tries on that one. Ah, there's one try on the paper towel. And let's see what we can do on this last piece right here. This give me an opportunity to show you how to take those 2 guards off and the sleeve. I'm going to pry up underneath this lip so that I can release that indentation. And they usually come off easier than that. Now this child guard, you just bend it all the way forward as far as it'll go this way, and it'll pop out. So let's go ahead and try our last piece of paper towel. The lighter came back to life after we got it out here in the sun. I heard a little. Now, let's try that last piece of paper towel. And the neighbor's cranked up his pressure washer. He ran it all day long yesterday. That's enough practice. I'm ready to start making the video.